Man, don't let fear stop you. I know you want to start that business, man. It's scary, man. Even though I got my stuff going, I'm not where I want to be, nowhere near where I want to be, but I still feel the fear, and every day I want to give up, but I'm not going to do it. I can't do it, so I just advise that you get over your fear, you get over whatever is stopping you, fight it, you know what I mean, to live your dream. Fight to live that dream, man, because one day you will make a difference. But if you don't move, nothing's going to happen. The worst they can tell you is no. Then you keep pushing to the next person. They might tell you no. Then you keep pushing to the next person until you get that yes that you're looking for. Come on now. Live your dream, man. Live your dream.